Looking for creative projects that pay for your unique skills? Start by creating your free Voices profile. You can add skills, highlight past projects and clients, and upload samples of your best work. This is where you get to show off your creative skills. Don't be shy. When a client likes what they see, they'll send you a private invite to their job. Or upgrade to Voices Premium and get automatically invited to jobs that match your skills from top brands around the world. Every invite comes complete with a detailed description, creative direction, and the client's budget. Submit a custom response and quote. If you're the best fit, you'll be hired. Congrats! On Voices, we'll take care of the boring stuff, like agreements, billing, and payment collection. We keep your payments safe while you work. That frees you up to focus on the creative process. Get feedback from the client along the way, and build lasting relationships. When the work is done, upload the final deliverables. Once the client approves the files, you're done. On Voices, you do the work and get paid. Guaranteed. It's really that simple. It's time for your creative voice to be heard by millions. Your next opportunity awaits.